Greetings from Prestige Electronics. This is a short demonstration video of Prestige manufactured 4.5 digit transformer winding resistance meter model PE19RP Dual Plus. This instrument is a 25 ampere current model, comes with a touch graphic display, PC interface, heat run facility and automatic graph plotting facility through PC software. Along with the instrument, these are the standard accessories. So it comes with 4 heavy duty Kelvin clips, 2 red 2 black, 2 current wire 12 meter long and 4 voltages wire, earthing wire, shorting wire and communication cable. And also 7 meter long temperature sensor. So in this instrument there are 6 test currents, 25 ampere, 10, 5, 1.1 and 10 milliampere. The instrument comes with auto ranging facility where you don't have to select any range, the instrument will select automatically. The instrument comes with 2 modes, continuous and auto hold. So in auto hold mode, once the reading is stable, it will automatically discharge. So for measurement, we have connected a 1000 micro ohms load and we have selected 25 ampere test current. Now we are going to take the measurement. So we have connected to channel 1. So here I have disabled channel 2 because we are not using it. So as you can see, the value is 1006.1 microohms. Now we are going to connect it to channel 2. The value is same, 1006.4 microohms. Now we are going to change the current. Now we are going to connect a load of 10 ohms. So here we have connected a load of 10 ohms. So you can see the value is 10.247 ohms. Now we are going to take the reading of channel 1. So as you can see, the value is same, 10.248 ohms. For any query, please contact manufacturer. Thank you.